If you're blaming yourself for your ex monkey branching on you, and you say things like, I pushed him into doing this, I wasn't a good enough partner, I should have known better, I wasn't attentive enough, and all that kind of bullshit that you tell yourself inside your mind just to convince yourself that what they did was okay. You try to find resolution in your mind. And this is actually a positive indication that you're going on the right track because you stop blaming them and you take back your power. But the problem with this is that you try to justify their fucked up behavior because you say, a person cannot be that fucked up that they actually cheat on me and move on with someone else. So you say, it's gotta be me. It's gotta be me. But like I told you in all of my previous videos, they have multiple personality disorder or the DID, it's dissociative identity disorder. They have some kind of personality disorder. If it's not that, some kind of personality disorder. These people, they don't know how to resolve conflicts. These people are fucked to their core, and they will probably never heal. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach. In today's session, I wanted to talk to you about the fact that you're blaming yourself. And self-blame, it's better than blaming someone else because now what you're doing, you're taking your power back. You crave power. You don't want to give your power away to them anymore, any longer, so you just take it. And then you just place all the blame on yourself. But I don't want you to blame yourself. I do want you to take responsibility and accountability for allowing certain behaviors and understanding what you've done wrong and what you could have done better, not to save the relationship, but to be a better partner in this past relationship, so you can draw conclusions for what you can do better in your next relationship. This one is over, it's done. I hope you don't even think about taking them back. I talked about it many times, so I'm not going to discuss that, because if you want your monkey branching ex back, stop watching my channel and make all the mistakes. But if you're here and you want to heal and you want to grow and you actually want to learn to make sure that this doesn't happen again and value in yourself, because a person that takes an ex back, especially with a monkey branch, it just means that you hate yourself. Completely hating yourself. You don't see your value, you don't see your worth, you don't see anything. Now I want to touch back on the topic. When you blame yourself, it's a form of, like I said, taking the power back and trying to rationalize why they've done that, because you say to yourself, it's impossible. It's impossible to do that. That was me. I was too anxious or too avoidant. I didn't tend to their needs. I wasn't good enough. Now I want you to take all of these things that you're saying you're telling to yourself, make a list and see how you can improve upon them without judgment, without guilt, without shame. Just take them and see how you can improve in these specific areas. Because we all need to grow, we all need to evolve. After monkey branching, it's a little bit more complex because there is a lot of feeling of rejection, and rejection breeds obsession, and you become obsessed, and all you want is them. You don't even want yourself anymore. You don't want to think, you don't want to do anything. You just want to go back to them because you think that if you go back to them, this is where you'll find a sense of wholeness. But this is not. It's completely not. In order for you, to come back to self, you need to do the work. You have to do the work on yourself. Don't try to find justifications and reasons for why they left you and you say to yourself, oh, of course they left me because this, and this. No, this, and this does not justify this type of behavior. Monkey branching, this is a really elaborate and complex plan that was woven behind your back. That wasn't a mistake. That wasn't a weak moment. That was cheating involved. Come, Baba. My dog wants to come. So that was cheating involved. And after the cheating, there was plotting on how to exit this relationship, your relationship, moving with this new partner. There's a lot. It's not something that happens just like that. So I want you to realize that and don't give them any grace for their behavior, because this is not okay. There's no justification whatsoever. So what you need to do is do the work on yourself. Start falling back in love with yourself. Start reflecting, start understanding. Like I said, all the things that you said, the reasons that they broke up with you or monkey branched on you, take them and say and see how you can improve upon them. And it's not improving upon them for them, it's improving upon them for you. If you need help with that, you can get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program, and now it's for only $37, and it will help you to extract all of this wisdom, all of this knowledge. It's a step-by-step system. You just need to plug to the system and go through the modules, go through the workbook. It's very well done, and it will help you to heal correctly. Because right now, your healing needs to be, it's multi-dimensional healing. It's not just one dimension, because monkey wrenching, it hurts your ego. Of course, it hurts your heart. It makes you question human nature. It makes you question yourself. There is a lot. It's a lot of pain there. There's a lot of pain there. A lot of things that you need to process, and you need to process it step by step, layer by layer. And I show you exactly how to do it in the Rise of the Phoenix. Also, if you need help, one-on-one coaching, if you can afford it, I can expedite your healing and make sure that you're doing it correctly. But one thing that I want to conclude this video that you must realize: blaming yourself, it's a positive indication that you're sick and tired of just saying, giving away your power. It's taking back your power. Great, great, amazing. I'm happy that you do that. Now, once you took your power back, this is where the healing begins. This is where the journey begins. And then what you need to do is to actually start to look within. You look within. You will start also, you will probably will want to watch some more monkey branching videos just to get some breathing room and space, due to the reason that it's a lot to take. And you want to understand why they've done what they've done. Then you reflect. Then you see where you can grow, how you can be better as a person for yourself. Once the level of your self-love increase than your level of self-love that you had with this person, this is healing. This is progress. This is progress, because right now you don't love yourself enough. Right now you are blaming and beating yourself up, and you said, I should have known better. No, you shouldn't. Whatever happened, happened because it had to happen. This is why. There is no turning back time, going back in time, or changing things. The only thing that you can change is your perception, your perspective on what happened, why it happened, how it happened for you and not to you. For you and not to you. When you say it happened for me, this is where your brain starts to look for reasons, for positive reasons for this occurrence. But when you say it happened to me, oh my God, you're just going down to victim land. You're victimizing yourself so bad. And you will find it. Let's just play with it for a second. When my ex monkey branched on me, let's say if I say to myself, it happened to me. So I can say, maybe because hey, I'm not a saint. When I was in my 20s, I cheated. So maybe I can say, oh, it's because I cheated. It's because maybe I wasn't the perfect partner for whatever. And it happened to me maybe because I did this or did, and then you start to bash yourself really bad. That's no good. But if you say it happened for me, and you say, it happened for me. If it happened for me, what can I learn? And you say to yourself, maybe I needed to go through this pain to heal and to know how it feels, so I will never do that to someone else. And I will be the most loyal partner ever. What a blessing. And if I am the most loyal partner ever, I will attract an equal. Boom. And you say to yourself, whoa, that's big. And then you assign a new meaning to that. So don't blame or bash yourself. Assign new meanings. Change the story. Change the narrative. I go through all of this in the Rise of the Phoenix very extensively with workbooks and explanations and everything that you need, because right now your brain is foggy. Right now you need structure. YouTube is great, but YouTube can be very confusing. So you need a website like I have, an app that I have, and it walks you through. You need structure. You need to say to yourself, okay, today I'm going to do module 1, module 2. you work on yourself and you start feeling good. You start understand more and more. And then you say to yourself, wow, that the healing shit is really working. This is what I want for you, because staying stuck in this loop, especially if you're blaming yourself, that can be really detrimental for not just your mental health, your physical health. You probably don't eat or don't really doing much physical activity. You need this. You owe it to yourself. So if you need help, all the resources are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Stay strong and know that I got you. I'm here for you. Whatever you need, email me, WhatsApp me, whatever you need. I promise you, I will not leave you hanging. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next one.